In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Salesforce homepage for one user. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to tailor your workspace, this guide will walk you through each step necessary to create a personalized interface that meets your needs. To begin, let's access the Salesforce platform, where we'll kick things off by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. From this menu, select Advanced Setup. This section allows you to dive into more intricate customizations within Salesforce, paving the way for personalized adjustments. Next, navigate to the Quick Find box. This is your tool to swiftly locate any setting or feature within the Salesforce environment. In the Quick Find box, type in Lightning App Builder. This powerful tool is what we'll use to create or modify your app pages, delivering a cutting-edge and intuitive layout for your home screen. Once you've searched for it, go ahead and click on the Lightning App Builder option. Here you have the flexibility to either start with a new app page, building from the ground up, or choose from a range of templates available. If you're unsure about which direction to take, consider the specific features and information you frequently use in Salesforce, as this will guide your decision in picking the right template. With the foundation set, it's time to bring in the components that matter most to you. In Lightning App Builder, you have a wide array of options at your disposal. Simply drag and drop elements such as dashboards, reports, or any custom components directly onto your page. This drag and drop capability makes the process incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to see changes in real time and adjust as necessary to craft the perfect layout. After arranging your components to your satisfaction, your next move is to click Save. Following that, click on Activation. This is an important step because it determines who will have access to the preferred layout you've just created. In the page settings, you'll notice two main options: Activate for all users or Activate for system administrators only. Depending on whether you want this new page visible to everyone or only to administrators for further testing, make your selection accordingly. But what if you want to get even more specific about who can view this custom homepage? You can further refine visibility by using permission sets and profile assignments found in the setup area. This gives you comprehensive control over user access, ensuring only the intended audience can interact with your custom design. Finally, once you are satisfied with these settings, don't forget to click Save again. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your Salesforce homepage, and it's tailored perfectly to enhance your productivity. Now, enjoy a seamless experience with everything you need right at your fingertips. Happy customizing!